Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to recover deleted camera videos from Android phone. To recover deleted camera videos from an Android phone, you can follow these steps. Firstly, launch the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Make sure you are signed in with a Google account. Use to backup your photos and videos. Now, go to the library located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the trash to view deleted photos and videos. Then browse through the deleted items. Find the videos you want to recover, for example, this photo, and choose them. Tap on the Restore button to recover the selected videos back to your Google Photos library. Once you restore those photos, let's move to our next step, which is turning on the backup feature. Now, let's tap on our profile, then tap on Turn on Backup, then tap on Turn on Backup. Remember that successful recovery depends on various factors such as the amount of time elapsed since deletion, device model, and storage conditions. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.